Appropriate. Appropriate. When a thing is appropriate, it is right or normal.
It's appropriate to wear a suit when you go to the office.
Avoid. Avoid. To avoid something is to stay away from it.
Avoid the broken bottle on the floor.
Behave. Behave. To behave is to act in a particular way, especially to be good.
She always behaves well when her father is around.
Calm. Calm. When someone is calm, they do not get excited or upset.
A nice warm bath makes me feel so calm.
Concern. Concern. Concern is a feeling of worry.
I was filled with concern after reading the newspaper.
Content. Content. To be content is to be happy and not want more.
The baby looked very content sitting on the floor.
Expect. Expect. If you expect something to happen, you believe it will happen.
I expect the bus to be here very soon.
Frequently. Frequently. When something happens frequently, it happens often.
We meet frequently, either at the beginning or ending of the week.
Habit. Habit. A habit is a thing that you do often.
Smoking is a bad habit that can kill you.
Instruct. Instruct. To instruct is to teach.
My teacher instructs us in several subjects.
Appropriate. Appropriate. Avoid. Avoid. Behave. Behave. Calm. Calm. Concern. Concern. Content. Content. Expect. Expect. Frequently. Frequently. Habit. Habit. Instruct. Instruct.